Hi everybody, welcome to the first official proper vlog on the channel. And so yeah, so if you guys haven't already read the about bit on the channel, that explains like what the channel's about and stuff. So basically what the channel is going to be now, I've kind of sort of changed it up a bit. It's still gonna have vlogs to do with my everyday life, and obviously that will happen, vlogs with my everyday life. And I've also decided to upload vlogs on bike rides. If you guys haven't seen on my other channel, I posted like bike ride videos, and that's because I have a little action cam and I go on bike rides like nearly all the time with my friend. So yeah, so today I'm going to be going on a bike ride, and decided to vlog it, and we'll see how long this vlogging process for me goes. I'm not really a good vlogger, but yeah, so I don't know what else to do. So if you are a new subscriber or you haven't seen any of my other videos or any of my videos, then this channel is a channel for you. You'll get to know me more. You'll get to know me on a personal level. Just this isn't me vlogging. It's me talking to you guys on a personal, probably on a personal little level, and stuff. And yeah, so you get to see what I'm getting up to now with school and stuff. So yeah, so I'm going on holidays a lot. And yeah, I'm also thinking of sorting out um, my other gaming channel and stuff like that, trying to get that up on the go, and trying to work my hardest at that. So that's what's going to be happening in my life for a bit now until college. So yeah, let's get on halfway through the day. And also now it's the summer, you guys will see a lot of vlogs, like especially the vlogs on the action cam. I've been into this channel called is it Piddless? I think that's how you spell it. Is it Piddle? Yeah, Piddless. Um, she used to do Syndicate, I think. But yeah, so I've been really massively loving her videos. Is it here, Piddless? I think that's how you say it. But yeah, so I've been really into her videos and stuff like that, especially her vlogs. So I really love them. So that's what I've been into recently, and also I've been watching Mrs. Brown's Boys a lot. So yeah. Typical English upper for you. Emily, mate, why are you making me do it? This should be fun. So I've just recorded my very first ever mobile game. And yes guys, I didn't record Pokemon Go when it was like really popular. I wish I did think back to it now. But I was thinking of going back to it. But I just recorded a mobile game, Doodle Jump, on my phone, and I had to record with my iPad face with my camera because I could not find a simple one. So now I'm just about to create the thumbnail, because even though I've only uploaded like a 20-second video, which I will never ever do now, I verified the account, my the gaming account, so I can actually use thumbnails, so and that's a good thing. So and I've also done the same with this one. Yeah, so I'm about to do the thumbnail for Doodle Jump, and I will show you in a minute. Emily, man, why are you making me do it? This should be fun. So I've just recorded my very first ever mobile game. And yes guys, I didn't record Pokemon Go when it was like really popular. I wish I did think back to it now. But I was thinking of going back to it. But I've just recorded a mobile game, Doodle Jump, on my phone, and I had to record with my iPad face with my camera because I could not find a simple one. So now I'm just about to create the thumbnail, because even though I've only uploaded like a 20-second video, which I will never ever do now, I verified the account, my the gaming account, so I can actually use thumbnails, so and that's a good thing. So and I've also done the same with this one. Yeah, so I'm about to do the thumbnail for Doodle Jump, and I will show you in a minute. I'm recording the bike right now.
Talk to my girls, they said they're all down. Don't need to call the boys, cause they'll come around. Trying to hang out, get it in with some friends. Gonna make a few more before the night ends. So I wanna have a good time. Why is this town so dead tonight? I'm over all the drama. Let's go have some fun. Party starts right now. So the night never ends. So I wanna have a good time. Why is this town so dead tonight? I'm over all the drama. Let's go have some fun. Party starts right now. Wanna get carried away. Party starts right now. Come on, baby, what do you say? know I'm gonna be. I wanna be, I wanna be. I know I'm gonna be, I know I'm gonna be. I wanna be, I wanna be. I know I'm gonna be. I wanna be famous. I wanna be rich. I just wanna live my life like a star. I wanna have diamonds and champagne in my bath. I wanna have all the fame and fortune you can have. I'ma shine like I'm on TV. I don't care what they say. I wanna be a superstar, 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 superstar. On the cover of a magazine, remember my name. I wanna be a superstar, 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 superstar. I wanna be, I wanna be. I know I'm gonna be, I know I'm gonna be. I wanna be, I wanna be. I know I'm gonna be, I know I'm gonna be. I wanna be, I wanna be. I know I'm gonna be, I know I'm gonna be. I wanna be, I wanna be. I know I'm gonna be, I know I'm gonna be. I can't stop dreaming. I see my name in lights, and everybody wants a piece of me. So I'ma keep going till I reach the top. I'm gonna live that champagne lifestyle till I drop.